Hey guys, I'm Arya from Blink and I'm going to show you how to use the visual editor on Blink and make design changes manually. When Blink builds your app, you can ask the agent to change the design, but for small edits like changing a font size, button color, spacing, describing the exact change can take longer than making it. The visual editor lets you click the element and edit it directly. Think of it like Canva or Figma, but directly inside your Blink app. You can click on an element and change its design without writing a prompt. Alright, let's see how Visual Edit works on Blink. I already have an app opened here, and to start editing this app, I'm just going to click on this edit button over here. And as I move my cursor around, you can see that I can select the components that I can edit. And let's say I want to edit this text Prisma over here. I can just click on the text here and you can see that the editing panel has opened up. So let's change the name to Solara, and I can make a bunch of other changes like font weight. I can also change the font family, can also change the font color. Let me just show you how to change font color. Here I'm going to select a cyan color, that is the color I like for this website. I can also change a bunch of other things like layout, border, spacing, and things like that. Alright, now let's see how you can edit a card like this one. I can just select the card and let's change the background color to a dark greenish color. I'm just going to use the color picker to change that, and the changes reflect instantly so I can see how it looks on the website. And let's say I want to edit the top padding, I can just increase the top padding to 120 and you can see there's more space created at the top. You can also see the two changes that I have implemented, and once we are happy with those changes, you can just click on apply and Blink will get to work for us. Okay, as you can see, both edits are applied and the edits are reflecting on my website. So that is how you use the in-app editing panel to edit things manually. But what if the exact change you want isn't available in the editor, right? That is where comments come in. You need to click on edit and you'll see an option to comment. What you can do here is you can simply select the element that you want to change. You can leave a comment about the change you want. Like for example, I want this button to be in glass morphism style. Now this edit is not available in the in-app editor, so I need to ask the agent to do it for me. So I'm just going to click on the button and I'm going to leave a comment, recreate this button in glass morphism style. And I'm going to hit enter. You can see the comment is applied over here for this button, and I am going to apply this. The agent has recreated the join the lab button in glass morphism style. As you can see, the style of the button is now glass morphism. It has also changed the text inside to be white so that the contrast is maintained. So that is how commenting works. You can just select an element, describe the change, and the agent will handle it for you. And that, my friends, is how you use Visual Edit to make design changes quickly on Blink. And I'll see you in the next one.